How to fix Attack Shark X3 device sleep. So what you're gonna do here is to pretty much prioritize the mouse itself to not sleep almost immediately. So you can go ahead and download the X3 software. You can do this in the website. Go to the X3 mouse and navigate yourself to the X3 software. Go ahead and download that and then open up the app. So before that though, you can go ahead and search up your device manager on your PC. You can do this by searching it for your apps. But once you're here, go to mice and other pointing devices. But go to your X3 device. In our case, it's going to be different. But as long as you go to your mouse and then go to your properties, go to power management and make sure this is toggled off. So toggling this on will allow the computer to turn off this device. So make sure it's turned off so that that won't happen. Press OK, save that, and go back to the app itself. So we're gonna have to go to your power management here in the bottom right. So once you're there, it's gonna open up and expand these. You'll see a sleep time and then a deep sleep time. You're gonna have to pull this lever over here to increase the sleep time and then the deep sleep time to your preferences. So a maximum of 30 minutes and a deep sleep time of 60 minutes. So once it's toggled to that, you should have the deep sleep or device sleep problem much less. So you can toggle it to however or how long you want it to be. So that's pretty much on you, but that's pretty much how you could possibly fix this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.